Could've stayed in, sitting in my workshop, sipping on gin. Can't feel my fingers, can't feel my toes, trekking through the land of the ice and snow. Just a little further, just a little more, heading to the cabin, frozen to the core. Fire up the wood stove, heating up the cabin.